Welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So today we'll continue our series part 5 of the video. So straightly moving to the question. 23rd January is celebrated as the birthday of? The answer is option number B, Subhash Chandra Bose. So Subhash Chandra Bose was born in Cuttack, Odisha. He escaped to Berlin in 1941 and he joined the Indian National Army at Singapore in 1943. The RBI has imposed restrictions on the functioning of which of the following cooperative banks? The answer is option number A, PMC, which stands for Punjab Maharashtra Cooperative Bank and it is headquartered in Mumbai. Which Indian athlete was recently awarded with IAAF Veteran Pin Prize? The answer is option number D, PT Usha. Kristalina Georgieva has been selected as the new chief of which organization? The answer is option number B, IMF, which stands for International Monetary Fund and it is headquartered in Washington DC. And the current chief economist of IMF is Geeta Gopinath. Who among the following former chiefs of army staff had been awarded as the Mahavir Chakra twice? The answer is option number C, General A.S. Vaidya. And the current chief of defense staff is Bipin Rawat. And current chief of army is Manoj Mukund Narwane. The author of the book titled The Future of India is? The answer is option number A, Bimal Jalan. Tricolor was adopted as the national flag in which session? The answer is option number A, in Lahore session and in the year 1931. Who started the Home Rule movement? The answer is option number A, Annie Besant. So primarily it was started by Bal Gangadhar Tilak in 1916 at Pune and Annie Besant and Subramaniam Iyer at Adyar near Madras in 1916 September. So Tilak joined the Annie Besant later and he gave the slogan Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. Prime meridian passes through? The answer is option number A, Greenwich, which is also called as GMT or Greenwich Meridian Time. The tall roaring forties is related to the answer is option number C, westerlies. So these westerlies are also called as furious 50s or screaming 60s. So planetary winds is of three types: trade winds, westerlies and polar winds. So trade wind is the wind which blow from subtropical high pressure belt to equatorial low pressure belt, and westerlies blow from subtropical high pressure belt to subpolar low pressure belt, and polar winds blow from polar high pressure belt to subpolar low pressure belt. What is meant by isthmus? The answer is option number C, narrow strip of land dividing the two oceans. An ordinary bill passed by the State Assembly can be delayed by the Legislative Council for a maximum period of? The answer is option number D, 4 months. The joint session of two houses of the parliament is convened when? The answer is option number B, when a bill passed by the one house is rejected by other house. The salaries and allowances payable to the members of the parliament are decided by whom? The answer is option number C, parliament itself. The supply of labor in the economy depends on? The answer is option number A, population. Toothpaste is a product sold under? The answer is option number A, monopolistic competition. So a monopolistic competition is a market structure which combines monopoly and competitive market. So there is freedom of entry and exit, but the firms can produce differentiated products. And duopoly is when two companies dominate the market. For example, like MasterCard and Visa. The strongest force in the nature is? Option number C, nuclear force. The source of sun's energy is the process of? The answer is option number C, nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion and nuclear fission are of two different types. So nuclear fusion is basically splitting apart of heavy atoms, for example uranium, into smaller atoms of iodine or cesium or strontium. However, fusion is combining lighter atoms, for example two hydrogen isotopes of like deuterium or tritium to form the heavier helium. Who amongst the following got a Nobel Prize in recognition of his discoveries of how salts and water transported in and out of cells of the human body? The answer is option number A, Roderick McKinnon. Who among the following is non-Indian who was conferred with Bharat Ratna? The answer is option number C, Nelson Mandela. So he was the former president of South Africa. Heavy alcohol consuming people generally die of. The answer is option number B, cirrhosis. So cirrhosis is severe scarring and poor function of liver caused by long-term exposure of toxins such as alcohol. Triple vaccine is administered to a newborn child to immunize it against. The answer is option number B, whooping cough, tetanus and diphtheria. Which of the following countries is the largest producer of uranium in the world? The answer is option number A, Canada. The largest producer of gold in the world is? The answer is option number A, Australia. From the constitution of which country the provision of federation was borrowed while framing the constitution of India? The answer is option number C, Canada. So federation means division of power between center and states. So that's it for today. Thank you guys.